Not in here anymore, that's good.
My vinyl fence is almost knocked over. It doesn't flooded. Huh? Look it, the trash can's over there. Oh my god. Stay safe. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at everything floating down. Floating down the street. You have to call my... Look at the river.
Yep. This is where all the water leaking off from the street. It's going in and starting to flood out my property and damage things. It's also degrading, causing channels out here in front of my house. What I assume is public road, but all this is getting worn down and degraded.
Okay, this is going to be amateur video. So, the creek along Federal Boulevard is not flowing right now. I think it's stuck. Some of it's stuck right here. So I'm on Central. And I'm going to do short segments, but it's pretty bad. The water is at a standstill right here. If this breaks loose, it's going to flood Federal again. Okay, this is a complete standstill here. These trees are going to come down and make even more of a beaver dam. It's going to make it a lot worse. It's got to be cleaned out. Okay, here's another beaver dam. Sorry it's dark, but probably the city needs to come down and check this out. I mean, really check it out. I don't know, do you know how much people pay to have palm trees like this in their yard? So this is going to be really bad on Thursday, I think. Okay, I'm at Central and Federal. So there's your address that you guys need. So this creek is at a complete standstill. This is water that's going to be coming down Federal, down the hill. When this all breaks loose, this is going to flood southeast San Diego again. And our half of Lemon Grove, right? Our half of Federal, I mean. Okay, the other side of Central, still on Federal. I take advantage of every disaster, I say. So, as you can see, the creek is not moving. I'm so afraid this is going to be a big mess. So you know where I'm at? Here, the water came over the banks because that creek was so full. That's why the water went out on the street, right? Okay, so here's La Mesa Glass on Federal, across from Edco. So you could see this mess. And then I believe if you could see how it's going to make a mess again. If you could see, I believe that's hibiscus up there, I was told. Those houses are beautiful. I hate to see them falling onto Federal. I'm sure they don't want that property. And here's another point. That is Edco right there. Edco has done so much for this community and everywhere. If this street floods again, how are they going to get through to pick up our trash? And not only that, but all that standing water that we're having. What about the mosquitoes? Remember, one year Lemon Grove was the first to have mosquitoes. Okay, I told you all the serious stuff, and this is serious too, but a little fun to think about. Poltergeist. So, I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, is this street chipping away into the creek? So Federal Boulevard may not be anymore. I don't know. What do you think? Okay, I'm not done yet. Okay, I'm still across from Thompson on Federal. I'm looking at these prawns right here. This is completely stopped. The water's completely stopped right here. So I'm looking at that beautiful house up there. God, I hope he's okay. Okay, I'm on the other side of Federal. There's Thompson. So the water's barely moving right now, but when it rains again, it's going to move fast. All those prawns up there are going to break loose, and we're going to have a disaster again. And it's going to go all the way down to San Diego. I get it. We're almost there. Okay, rolling. So on this side, Thompson has kept this clear. And when you come down here to check this out, you'll see that Thompson has kept all of this clear. So the problem is not in San Diego, it's in Lemon Grove. And I hate to say that, but look, you can see how everything's chopped down and there's concrete. We need to do something about this. Okay, I'm at San Miguel and Federal, and this is barely moving. I mean, I don't know if it's supposed to be moving like this, but here we go. Around the corner. I don't know. No, I'm not checking out that tunnel. Okay, so I'm still at San Miguel and Federal, and the businesses on this side of Federal are not the problem. The problem is that creek needs to be cleaned out behind the dealership. So the water's running pretty slow. But I met Kevin with Smith's, and he said that they were okay. But look what they have right here.